This video will introduce the setting and installation methods of the Coolschmax CL139 battery voltmeter. We highly recommend to go through the entire video. Please follow it step by step before setting. If you encounter difficulties in setting up or using the CL139 battery voltmeter, you can contact customer service email, support@hofians.com. In order to help you locate the problem more quickly, you can tell us which part of the video you are having difficulty with, and we will solve it for you as soon as possible. Please note that the product surface is covered with a protective film. To ensure optimal performance, carefully remove this protective film before using. The CL139 voltage meter is equipped with 4 measurement modes. Hold the set button to enter the setup mode. Tap the set button to switch between the 4 modes. P. Lead acid battery. L. Lithium battery. F. LiFePO4 battery. C stands for custom mode, which is also named professional mode. Below is a demonstration of how to set up a lead acid battery. Hold the set button to enter the setup page for the lead acid battery. At this moment, lead acid battery is displayed. Tap the control button to choose the specifications of the lead acid battery. Tap the control button again to switch and view all specifications. This voltmeter is compatible with lead acid batteries of various voltages, including 12 volt 24 volt, 36 volt 48 volt, 60 volt, 72 volt, and 84 volt. We select the required specifications for the lead acid battery to set up. Tap the set button to confirm the setting value. Hold the set button again to confirm the lead acid battery setting. Next is a demonstration of lithium battery setting. Hold the set button to enter the settings page. Tap the set button once to enter the settings interface for the lithium battery. Tap the control button to switch lithium battery specifications. The device supports lithium batteries ranging from 3 series to 20 series. Tap the set button to confirm the setting value. Hold the set button again to confirm the lithium battery settings. Next is a demonstration of LiFePO4 battery setting. Hold the set button to enter the settings page. Tap the set button twice to enter the settings interface for the LiFePO4 battery. Tap the control button to begin the setup. Tap the control button again to select the required specification for setup. Tap the set button to confirm the setting value. Hold the set button again to confirm the settings for the LiFePO4 battery. The 5-point measurement professional mode is an advanced battery state monitoring technology. It constructs a relationship curve between SOC and voltage based on the 5 key points: 0%, 10%, 50%, 90%, and 100%. The red line represents the curve measured in the normal mode of the voltmeter, while the green line represents the actual curve of voltage and state of charge. It can be seen that the normal mode deviates from the true value. From the new diagram, the blue curve shows that the professional mode more closely approximates the real curve, comparing to normal methods. For professional mode, users must get the precise voltages for these 5 SOC points from the battery supplier in order to use it properly. It is particularly suitable for commercial projects due to its enhanced accuracy in monitoring battery charging states, improving efficiency and safety. Below is a demonstration of how to set the 5-point voltage versus SOC in the custom mode. Hold the set button to enter the settings interface. Multiple tap the set button to navigate to the custom mode. When the screen displays C, it indicates that you are in the custom mode. Tap the set button to navigate to the custom mode. Assuming the voltage at 0% SOC is 20 volts, tap the set button to set the required value. Afterward, tap the control button to select the next digit for setting. Tap the set button to set the required value. Tap the control button to select the next digit for setting. Once all the values are set, tap the control button once more on the second decimal digit. The voltage setting for 0% SOC is complete. The page will then proceed to the voltage setting for 10% SOC. assuming the voltage at 10% SOC is 23 volts. Tap the Set button to set the required value. Tap the Control button to switch to the digit you need to set. Tap the Set button to set the required value. Tap the Control button again to switch to the next digit. Once all the values have been set, tap the Control button once more on the second decimal digit. The voltage setting for 10% SOC is complete, assuming the voltage at 50% SOC is 26 volts. Repeat the above operations to set the required values as needed, assuming the voltage at 90% SOC is 30 volts. Repeat the above operations to set the required values as needed, assuming the voltage at 100% SOC is 36 volts. Repeat the above operations to set the required values as needed. All the SOC points corresponding to their respective voltages have been set. At the end, please hold the Set button to complete the settings. Now, the settings for the professional mode have been fully completed. We can see that the SOC corresponding to 20.36 volts is approximately 1.3%. Below is a demonstration of the low voltage alarm function. After setting the alarm voltage, if the voltage drops below the setting value, the buzzer will sound an alarm, and the dashboard symbol will flash, indicating that battery charging is needed as soon as possible. Let's set up the low voltage alarm function. Hold the Set button to enter the settings interface. Tap the Set button multiple times to enter the low voltage alarm settings page. Assuming we set the alarm voltage to 15 volts, tap the Control button to select the digit. Assuming we set the alarm voltage to 15 volts, press the Control key and then the Set key alternately to set the other digits. Hold the Set button to confirm the required value. After setting the alarm voltage, hold the Set button to confirm the setting. Next, we will adjust the voltage to below 15 volts. Now we will hear the buzzer sounding an alarm, and the dashboard symbol will flash. This product will retain its original data after the power is cut off. We can see that the voltage reading is consistent with the value before the power was turned off. Tap the Control button, the screen turns off and enters low power mode. Tap the Control button again. The screen lights up, exits low power mode. Hold the Set button to enter the setting interface. Tap the Set button multiple times to enter the backlight timer setting interface. The default of backlight setting is on, which makes it always on. Tap the Control button. At this time, the backlight timer value starts flashing. Tap the Control button again. Users can set the timer between 10 and 60 seconds as needed. Suppose we set the timer to turn off after 10 seconds. Tap the Set button to confirm the timer setting. Hold the Set button to complete the above settings. Here is demonstration to install the CL139 voltmeter. We can use double-sided tape or adhesive to install it. Just stick the material directly to the installation location. The whole process is very simple and quick. At the same time, this product also supports hole installation. Just choose the suitable installation method.